The forest as resource, an ethical and ontological problem.
Welcome to an episode on thinking education relationally. In this episode, we explore the forest as a resource, an ethical and ontological problem, and what this way of relating to environments might mean for teaching and learning in higher education.
The gaze of mastery.
Think here of the famous painting by Caspar David Friedrich, The Wanderer in the Clouds, where a wild romantic figure stands astride a mountaintop looking down on a fog-covered landscape, like the psychic master of a nature that has become his dominion. He's not so much in the clouds as above them. How does such psychic mastery play out in ways that extend beyond the contemplative act of the wanderer?
The forest as resource.
Now consider a forest. We see it, don't we? As a resource, a space to be measured, owned, managed. Think of foresters marking trees, industrial logging machines, and graphs showing tree growth rates, economic yield. We take the forest and we name it, we categorise it, we divide it into hectares, species, timber value. We see potential in the forest, wood for homes, paper for books, land for development. The forest exists for us so we can use it in the ways that we want to. This reflects the dominant worldview shaped by centuries of Western thinking. The forest exists for us to serve our needs, to fuel our growth, to support our economy. Think also of human activity dominating the landscape, clear-cutting, monoculture replanting, fencing, surveillance drones. This way of viewing the forest has a linear dimension to it. We enter, we extract, we exit. We take from the forest and we rarely look back. At this point, what matters is not the forest itself, but the way this relationship is structured.
What does this mean for education?
When learners repeatedly encounter environments as resources to be analysed, managed, or extracted from, education can quietly normalise distance, control, and one-way relationships rather than mutuality and responsibility.